Next Level Mindset bringing you another powerful and positive video. I want to share with you 3 proven ways to promote your music online. Things that have worked in my music career, proven to work for anyone who puts them into practice. And if you stay with me all the way through till the end, I've got something just for you with some bonus points, pro tips, things the industry is not talking about you do not want to miss. What's coming up? These are just a few. There's plenty more. These are the few that stood out for me. Let me know in the comment section what stands out most for you. The first place is on YouTube. Everyone has a handheld device online on YouTube. That's the first thing that has helped me in my career, starting a YouTube channel right on YouTube. Another thing that has worked is when maybe you're doing a live show and you're out performing. You could take that time and have yourself recorded, or maybe you could do lyric videos. I have several lyric videos right here on my channel, songs that I've recorded, things that I've released, singles that I've released, and I would create a lyric video with them. So that's another way that you can promote your music, get it out there online, lyric videos on YouTube. Maybe you're doing covers. You could do live covers of other people's songs just to get people to show up to your channel. Then you can show them what you have. Starting a YouTube channel is not as hard as it used to be. All you have to do is just have that motivation to get started. I have several videos right here on my channel that you can check out. Check them out. How I relaunched my channel during the shutdown here a little while ago, and how I restarted it and just got back up again. You could take those principles, you could take my experience and put it into practice for you, starting your YouTube channel or relaunching your YouTube channel. Some of you have already started, but you never really uploaded, you never really got it going. So think about that for your music. People want to hear your music, and the best way that I found in my career is to do it right here on YouTube. The second proven way to promote your music online is using social media. Social media is effective. For me, I like Facebook. I have Twitter, Instagram. You may even have an Instagram account that you've been building. As a matter of fact, let me know in the comment section. I've been hearing some things about Instagram. I think it was the idea of maybe you got personal connections, and now they're starting to show recommendations from people that you don't know right now. Let me know in the comment section what's going on with Instagram. But that's another way that you could promote your music right online using those social media platforms. As a matter of fact, John Hunter responds to a question asked online, and it says social media advertising done right will do more for advancing your career than anything else. But it has to all be tied together from your product, which in our case, this is our music, your creative, your image, your branding, and how you interact with fans. You have to have your business model that is designed to take total stranger and turn them into a paying fan. It takes work and it takes money. That was John Hunter talking a little about it. He goes on to talk about how the releasing your music at special times, planning out your release of your music, a lot of things that we could do to take our music to that next level. And if you're part of the family, you already know that's how we like to do it to get it done. We want to go to the next level in our music, mindset, strategies, getting paid, Next Level Mindset. That's where it's at. The different streaming platforms that are out there. Check out my single, Nobody, on Spotify. Go stream it if you follow my music, Nobody, Stevon. But you can do that and follow and build up your followers right there through your social media. One thing I like about it is that I can target and I can pre-qualify those on my social media. For example, I'll go to Facebook and I might write something like, this video is for those who follow my YouTube journey. So that when people do click on your video, it's something that they already know what it's about. Those who follow my YouTube will click on that one. Another one I might say, this is for my new single that just came out, Nobody, even on Twitter or Instagram. And it does a little pre-qualifying for me. So think about that in your career. Now, before we go to this next one, you know I gotta take some time to say thank you to all my subscribers, my viewers, those of you who return to the channel, leaving comments, the Cash App donations, even the product purchases, all of that. This thing would not be the same without you. And if this is your first time, great music, entertainment, inspiration, motivation, subscribe, hit that bell, and be the first to get my next video. Join the family. The third proven way that I've been able to promote my music online is using campaigns. Campaigns can be powerful. For example, I have a blog page that I promote, websites. You can even do an email campaign where you have an email list, send it out to all your followers. You'll be able to control the amount of people who receive your email. So consider that in your career. Collect emails and send out your music to people directly, giving you the opportunity to stay in touch with your followers. The one thing I love about campaigns, we can always set the parameters. You can set the time frame. You can set what you're going to give away. Sometimes you maybe a free giveaway that you want to sponsor. There's a way that you can monetize your blog page, connect that to your music. But that's the third proven way to promote your music online is through campaigns. Campaigns can be powerful. All we have to do is put these things into practice. So maybe for your next single, for your next release. One of my releases was done with Beat Chain, and now I'm signed with my record label, Take It to the Altar Music. But I'd like to know what you have and what you've been able to do. Get your campaign in mind for different things, building your fan base right here online. I've got several bonus points, tips, and strategies, and what I told you about the music industry. But before I do that, I've got to tell you about my brand new upcoming single, God's Time. There's a little bit of it playing right there. It's coming out soon. I want to give you a free download copy of it. Go to Take It to the Altar Music. Leave us your email. We're going to give you a free download copy coming out soon. Excited about it. Everybody's been waiting for it, and I want to get it to you. So check them out with the links in the description. If you've enjoyed this so far, do me a favor and hit that like button. The algorithm signal will let other people know this video, oh baby. It'll let them know it's worth watching if you hit the like button. Thank you. The first bonus point that I want to share with you is about your lifestyle and my lifestyle. I've learned to incorporate my music in my way of life. I've learned to make it a lifestyle. I've learned to look at this thing as a long-term journey and not just a short-term journey. Consider that in your journey. How can I incorporate this thing into my life? We talked earlier about a YouTube channel. Even in that, what has helped me in my life is to make it a lifestyle, make it something that I incorporate into my life, something that I'm looking for on the long term, learning, always learning. I have affirmations that I use. One of them says that I'm always creating win-win situations for everyone around me. As I help others to win, I win as well. Another one says I have eliminated the word I can't from my life. Stepping out on faith, I can do all things through the power of the universe that strengthens me. So there's certain things like that that I can begin to put into practice to assist me in my lifestyle, giving me that authority that I need to build that community, to build my family, to build my career. How can you take your gift, your music, and incorporate it into a lifestyle that will give you the balance that you need to succeed in your career, whatever success means to you? That's another thing that I've learned. Success means so many things to different people. What does success mean to you? This next bonus point that I want to share with you, it deals with the idea of promoting yourself, believing in, having confidence in yourself, doing self-promotion, having that confidence that you can do it, you can get out there and do your thing and promote yourself, confidence that you have something to offer that can influence and empower this world. So think about that in your life. Consider how you can be more proactive in your own self-promotion, because if you don't believe in you, nobody will. You've got to take that opportunity to hone your craft and promote yourself. I like what Quincy Jones said about it. I'm gonna let this cover me up for a minute. He says right here, always have humility when you create and grace when you succeed, because it's not about you. You are a terminal for a higher power. As soon as you accept that, you can do it forever. I like that because that reminds me of another affirmation that I have. I am the essence of Almighty God. I am a glorious and most intelligent manifestation of His almighty and divine presence, and we are one. So when I'm using my music, when I'm using my gift, when I'm performing, creating, I realize that there's a higher power. Whatever name you want to use for God, there's a power using me. There's a power using me as an instrument, a vessel, to be a gift to this world. So that's what I'm choosing to do. So I encourage you, have fun doing what you're doing, knowing that God is using you to change and influence other people with your gift. Self-promotion. That is what's worked for me, and I know it'll work for you as well. Third bonus point that I want to share with you is the idea of understanding what the industry is doing. Remember I told you about that? The industry is not really telling you about the mindset. We get so wrapped up into our gifts and our performing, going live, traveling all over the world, sharing our gifts. We forget about that mindset. And many of you, you've been waiting to step out. You've been waiting to get your gifts out there. And one thing that held me back in my life for a very long time is having fear. I wasn't faithful. I didn't have that faith and that boldness to step out. I let fear stop me for so long. And some of you right now, the only thing that's stopping you is fear. You have that fear keeping you back. I want to share this video with you right here to conquer and overcome fear. I think that would be a great video for you to watch next. So check that video out. See me over there. Remember, there's nothing that needs to be done that together we cannot do. I'll see you on the next level. Peace.